iFVG of the week for Monday was this one here because we come down, run the lows, tap into the new week opening gap, create a 1 minute OB inverse, lots of liquidity above. ICT on Monday goes, note the what's it called? The rounded edges here, right? Which is just like him saying, okay, we got liquidity here, got London highs, whatever. So best trade right here. And then there we go. Session. Oh, what to say? A plus setup. Reacting off sweep of sell side and analog of OB plus momentum. Macro time. 10 a.m. reversal. Okay. There's that setup. Next setup is going to be from Tuesday. Oh yeah, but yeah, let's go over this real quick. So obviously you enter here on the close, break even at the high inside the gap. Probably target this high for first TP. It's like 9:30 high, AM high there, or you could just wait for this all to be ran. Target here, and then you could target like this high since this high is kind of obvious, and you could target London highs as final TP. Those are all good TPs. I'm showing Tuesday, not Monday. Nuh-uh. This is definitely Tuesday. All right, so we'll backtrack then. So that's Tuesday's trade of the week. Mondays is going to be. Oh yeah, I was streaming for you guys on Monday. The 30-second confirmation. Is that what we're thinking? Oh yeah, that was good. Did we take that? I feel like we took that, right? Left Asia low here, so we take out session liquidity, remanipulate, run that low again. Leave that intact, but who cares? Who cares what the equal lows there? I mean, yeah, they're obvious, but oh wait, no, they're not. They're side by side. Okay, so yeah, who cares? 2-minute inverse. Do we like the 2-minute inverse there or the 3-minute? Probably the 3-minute, right? 3-minute inverse, go break even at the high there. I mean, the confirmation setup is good. Don't get me wrong. You could have entered off either. What's the stop on this play? Oh, it's 50 points? Yeah, let's do the confirmation setup. That's probably better. Less risk. It's only going to be like an A setup, though. Unfortunately. Wait, wouldn't this have been break even too? What are you guys saying? It's not the confirmation setup. It's the 3-minute. Okay, so yeah, we're going to go 3-minute here. Target, I don't know, I guess this high. So this is A plus setup, swept, or remanipulate, leg that swept Asia low, lots of momentum. Indicator alerted with volume. What else here? Maybe this is an A plus. Maybe it's just A. Because the break even kind of sucks. What else? Is that it? Is there like a 5-minute in the way? Oh, there's a 5-minute too. Okay, so you take the 3 or the 5. Either are fine. Go break even there. Yeah, 5 minute. We'll just say 5 minute. Break even's a little bit better there, but yeah. Yeah, so the 3/5 minute. And then I guess that's it. That's really it. Oh, it doesn't really align with time. Doesn't really align with time. That's why we're kind of just saying it's an A setup. So that's Monday. And then Tuesday we already went over, so let's go to Wednesday. Oh wait, I always forget. That's why I messed up. Oops. Okay. Okay, let's see. Somebody's asking me questions. Why can't I rejoin? You're showing Tuesday and Monday. Check your settings, fool. 30-second confirmation. Why did we edge the 15-minute? Okay. Nah, all good effects. I just forgot. I just have the base settings for the indicator. Just watch Dodge's video. That's going to be probably the best, most accurate one, but I will take a look for sure. Okay. Best setup from this day was... Dude, are we really saying it's this? Is that really what we're about to do? Or is it the 30-second? It's probably the 30-second, right? I don't even like this setup that much because we have the equal lows below. I like this entry more, which is the one I took, but each their own. Ryan's gonna post this one on the graphic. I know it because this is the one he took. So I'll just say this is the setup of the day. We just took this like London high, right? Or previous day high, previous. Okay. So base setup, equal lows below, lots of momentum. Good break even. Aligns with time. Give a gap. Okay. No, actually, I won't include that. That's basically it. That's fine. Right. I'll have to get it a replay. Gotta get it. Okay. I feel like this day was really easy. We came up, we took the high. Are we gonna say it's the short off open with previous day high above? Or are we gonna say it's the short to the data lows? I think it's gonna be the short to the data lows off the previous day high. That's gonna be a plus, right? The short here. I know it was like technically invalid, but not really at the same time. Oh wait, this was a break even, right? That's okay. I think we took the scales right first. POFs and break even. I think this was probably the setup of the day, but this is also pretty good too. And this long here, but this was break even. Is this the best setup? This might be the best setup. This 1 minute long here. Yeah, wait a minute. This 1 minute long might be better. No, because the target isn't as good because we already swept out previous day high. So no, yeah, yeah, it's the short. It's definitely the short. Yeah, it's definitely the short. And then you're just gonna scale it the here. Okay. A plus short. Swept. Previous day high. Delivering from 4 hour bearish gap. Very good momentum to the downside. Good break even. Data low target. What else? Anything? I think that's about it. I mean, there's not really anything else to say about this. That describes why it's A plus pretty much. Oh, I guess super reaction at high I could say too. Um, yeah, doesn't really align with time, so I won't say that. And then Friday, 3 minute go to Friday. Friday I think was easy to. We had the short right. Probably this short here is the best. Or do we want to say this short from the high here? Or do we want to say this? Because this is actually A plus. But this failed, so that probably will apply. But yeah, this is A plus. So like if you lost on this, I would lose on this play. If I was already in from up here, right on the 30-second, but if I lost on this, I would be okay with that. So 30-second long, the dodgy submission. No, that's definitely not the play of the day. I think it's gonna be this one. I like this. Trying to target. Yeah, I know. I saw Lewis took that. I know the 30-second doesn't close there, but I don't care. If I see this, I'm still taking it. I don't know if I would double down on it because it's OPEX. I would probably just take it with normal size and lose on it. Yeah, that was a good Lewis trade. I'm not even gonna hate on him for that. I would have taken that if I wasn't already in. A short, I think, because it's super reaction eyes. OB created on inverse singular gap. Good momentum. Equal loads draw. What else? Anything? Oh, delivery at a gap to the left. I think it was like a 15-minute. I'll just say delivery at a 15. Good volume. According to indicator. Okay. That's about it. Maybe I'll say A plus. Because it's pretty good. Break even could be better, but yeah, it's good. Oh wait, no, it doesn't really align with time. Doesn't align with time. Yeah, I think it's A plus though because of the draw, so that's fine. Can you go over why the 1 minute fail is A plus? Yeah, you sweep a high inside of a gap, and you tap into a into like a 5 minute as you get the inverse, right? So you're playing the reaction of the IOFET here. So here's your 5 minute BPR, right? On this spike up here, this is your retracement. Balance the 5 minute here. You can see the indicator shows you the 5 minute gap. You get a bearish candle right to the downside with a lot of momentum. You have no roadblocks to the left here, right? This 1 minute gap gets violated. There's a 30-second here that even got violated. So everything is pointing to price taking out this low here, right? Kind of completing that market maker sell model. And then you get a very bearish candle there. And then ultimately what you're going to do is you're anticipating price to run to this target, but you want to see price run all the way down here, right? So this is a good break even. And then it just fails. Yeah, so it doesn't align with time, meaning it's not in the macro time. Is this recorded? Yeah, it's recorded. You thought that short was macro? Which one? Or- Wait, where'd my drawings go? There it is. Okay. The one you read it is the best one? No, this isn't the macro time. The macro time is 9:50 to 10. This was at 9:38. 9:50 to 10:10. Yeah, this is not the macro. Yep. No, no, no. Open's not a macro. Yeah, if you want to look at the macro times, watch the 2022 mentorship. ICT goes over all of them, or there's lots of videos on YouTube going over the ICT macro times. But yeah, for the morning session, it's 9:50 to 10:10, 10:50 to 11:10. Why was the long bad? Because you have conflicting draws below. You're gonna long against these equal lows here. Why we don't want to. That's why we don't want to long there. Okay. Anything else? I think that's gonna do it for iFVGS of the week. So I'll end the recording here. I'll take Q&A for just a little bit. All right. That's iFVGS of the week. Thanks, guys.